What we got here is a failure to communicate. Strother Martin, portraying the captain of the chain gang in the Paul Newman headline movie Cool Hand Luke, was repeating a line by which we, who've been subordinates to any authority, have heard in many threatening versions of that tone. Those versions have come from personal family and acquaintances, as well as institutional and formal authority figures. A lot of times, it's more of the implicit, unspoken, and nonverbal structure of the environment that is the metaphoric warning flag of if you cross that line. That's what those of us without the connections of a mentoring intermediary face as an omnipresent factor of an individual in a co-status we have physically in common with others proximately and abstractly in a remotely known but analogous conditions. The failure is not in the communication because no communication other than an imposed understanding have been non-verbally constructed. The words have been said. If one of influence you seek to be, then ingratiate yourself with the powers that be. For those of us who draw the line of adaptive accommodation beyond the option of our practical survival, the trappings of a third party facilitated convenience and comfort for the associated trappings of that accommodation are not enough for what we pridefully hold as more tangible, our integrity. It is with this juxtaposition of contention to not go along with what is explicitly or implicitly a determined construction that becomes our guiding attitude of self-discipline. It is the underlying purpose for the focus of our thoughts for our plans and actions that precipitates from that action attitude that is a contending juxtaposition to authority. Even when the environment presents seasons of adverse conditions, the discipline with which we maintain our attitude is the sacred resilience by which we affirm our soul's being.